Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Godiva. You're welcome. So, I just want to do some analysis on here. I want to drop some analysis on here. So, this is my first video for the year. This is 2024. I will know that we have to be going harder this year. We are not going to be playing, we are going to be doing much of trading in 2024. So I think the reason why I've not been consistent with trading so far is because first off, I have a 9 to 5 job, and at the same time I'm a student, and then I have some other businesses, and then I'm still trading at the same. All this are what has been making my trading very slow and sluggish. But I've decided that I'm going to take trading more seriously in 2024. And at the same time, I graduated last year, which means my school will not be an hindrance to my trading anymore, because a lot of stress from school as well. And then my 9 to 5 job, I want to, I'm not stopping my 9 to 5 for now, but I want to adjust my trading section to the time where I'll be having more time to spend on the chat. So my trading has been up and down because of a lot of activities. So now I'm going to be focusing more on trading forex. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for all the love and likes so far. This is another video. Now let's get straight into the video. I'm currently on Gbpusd and I'm doing analysis for Gpbusd. This morning I already took a loss from this trade because I was trading. I already took a loss because I was, if you see the trend, I was, okay, let's go to H4 so that we'll start from there. Okay, I mark out this place as mine. I did mark out here. Let's use this. I mark out this place, this move, this high here. I marked this place as at yesterday as my point of interest, and yesterday price got into my point of interest and it dropped massively, so which means I was expecting to sell this pair yesterday, although I didn't get an entry. So I waited for today and I placed a sell limit there. So, and we got a broke of structure here, this area. We got a broke of structure in this area. This move yesterday broke structure, although this move yesterday broke this internal structure, and I was expecting price to retrace back to at least 50% of this range, and then so I could sell. So that was my plan, and that was exactly what I did, only for me to come back and I saw that price already take me out on a loss, which means if this price movement happens like this, it means that price is not ready to sell yet. And at the same time, there was a resistance here. I mean, is a demand zone that was respected here. So this movement could have broken below this demand zone, but it did not break below. So which means they use this demand zone to move price higher. And if you are currently looking at the highs now, you see that this price is currently at the highs here, which means price is taking liquidity from here. And here, a lot of people who are selling from this place now, they have been liquidated, which means we are going to be seeing more of buys for now. So we are still going to be waiting. We are still going to be waiting to see what price does. We are still going to be waiting to see what price does. Now we are going to use this highs. No space anymore. We are going to be using these highs. We are going to be using these highs now. Now, in my opinion, price is going to liquidate these highs. Reason because price refused to break. If you look at this, price has been ranging. This is an expansion. This is an expansion retracement, and yet price has been below all these lows. It is only this slight move that looked like a liquidity grab that just came below and is a wick, is a bullish wick that just came below this level here and clear liquidity that is below here. Most of the time now, almost everybody will be waiting to buy from this level because there's an imbalance here. I don't know if I'm, let me look for it so that you guys will see what I'm trying to explain. Okay, let me use this arrow. Okay, now the arrow, this is where I'm, this is what I was explaining. You see this low, these lows like this price, these are a lot of liquidity. Now everybody will be waiting to buy from here, or yes, buy from here, because this is the first move that broke structure. This is an expansion. This is a range of h4 range. This is an expansion, and here is our point of interest. This is our um, order block, and then within here we have imbalance here, right? But currently price has been consolidating above it. Price did not drop to this level, and price has been consolidating above it, and we know in consolidation there will be a lot of liquidity built below this level. Now because there are a lot of liquidity built below this level, this move, this last move that just happened, came to clear here a little. Now now came to clear, this is liquidity grab, and it moved price up to that place. Now if this is a liquidity grab, me, I was still expecting price to come back to this place. Now I'm not seeing it as maybe this one is now the liquidity grab, you understand? Now I was expecting price to come back to this place. That was why I was still expecting a sell. Now we see that price did not break below this level, is still holding, and now this level as well is still holding, and now price just broke above these highs now, which means price is not ready to sell yet. Now we are still going to be looking for more buys, meaning this liquidity grab has already covered up the space for price to come back. Okay, where is my cursor? I've not used all these things before. Okay, this liquidity grab has already covered up the space, meaning price is not ready to come back to this place. Yes, that's why this liquidity grab happened. So now we are going to reanalyze this structure again. And now, in my own opinion, I'm going to be looking for buys to continue the trend to go to the higher level, higher time frame structure. Now, if we look at the weekly time frame, we see that price is still very bullish. Price is still very bullish on the weekly time frame. Price is still very bullish. This is just a consolidation. So we are expecting price to come back to these very highs here. Oh, this thing is very, it's hard to push. Sorry, this is the first time I'm using it. Let me just, okay. Now this is the high we are still looking at. How price is going to come back and react to this size. You see all this consolidation that is happening here, it has trapped a lot of traders and people who have been trying to sell and buy these levels now. Since this price movement did not break below the structure, I am going to be buying USD, GBP USD for the next. Let's see how far the move will go. So that move that just happened now has confirmed to me that price is not ready to sell yet. Even though I was trying to sell the trend before, but now price is not ready to sell. What we are going to be doing in our next trade, we are going to be looking for an entry to take a buy. Now, GBP USD is giving us a buy, so we are going to be looking for structures that will give us an entry for a buy. So thank you very much. That is the analysis for today. I hope you understand. If you want me to keep to drop in more videos about my analysis, I'll be doing that every day.